So it's day 211 of scaling this branded Shopify dropshipping store to 7 figures in 1 year. As you can see, we're about 3K away. I'll just refresh the screen so you can see all of the numbers do stay the same. And in this video, I want to talk about the mantra of one customer, one product, one channel. So you just want to master one channel to scale your dropshipping store to start with. I see a lot of beginners. They try to run TikTok ads, they try to run Meta ads, they try to run Google ads, they try to do organic content, all on the same store, all at the same time. You don't need to do that. If we scroll down here, you could see around 95% of this store's sales come from Facebook and Instagram, which are Meta ads. And it's really super simple to just focus on one channel and try and master it. Obviously, once you start doing well, so once we start scaling this store even further, then we're going to look at maybe expanding into Google ads, expanding into email marketing, maybe do more organic content. But for now, we've just mastered one channel, which is Meta ads. This has allowed us to scale to almost 7 figures in 1 year. The store has scaled to 7 figures in total overall. And then we can expand into other channels afterwards. And it's really, I would always recommend for a beginner to go with Meta ads. They require the least technical know-how. They're the easiest setup, the lowest barrier to entry. And I can show you how simple our campaigns are. We'll come over to the Meta Ads Manager for this store. You can see we have 2 campaigns. This is for the month of July, but we'll come to, let's go for the whole year, for example. We'll come to the 1st of January all the way to present day, and we can hit update. And as you can see, we only have 2 campaigns. We've got one main CBO campaign, and that is where we put all of our ads in. And very recently in July, we started a seasonal sales and discount codes campaign. So this is kind of like a retargeting campaign. We put all of our ads that have seasonal sales and discount codes into that campaign. But for the main campaign, you can see the seasonal discounts campaign is only running at $100 per day. So it's not really getting a lot of spend, only a few sales coming in, but it's doing pretty well and it's currently profitable. So we will likely increase that over time. But the point I'm trying to make is, if you're a beginner, you just need one campaign. That's all we have. We've scaled to over 7 figures. You can see website purchases over 18,500 this year, just from one campaign. It's currently at $2,300 per day. One campaign, that's all we have. And then we just have a bunch of ad sets inside that campaign. If we click here, you can see we publish around 10 to 20 new ads per week. So we just create a new ad set, and when we put all of those ads into that new ad set, and then we allow Meta to decide which ones get the spend. That's what a CBO campaign is. Campaign budget optimization basically means we set the budget at the campaign level, and then Meta decides which ads get the spend. It's very, very simple. And that's all you need to do. I think a lot of beginners write off products too early because they don't test enough ads. Maybe they'll test 2, 3, 4, 5 ads and they'll say, oh, this product doesn't work. So you need to test lots of different angles, lots of different customer avatars. Like I say, we follow one customer, one product, one channel. Once you find the customer, that can be the harder part. You need to test lots of different ads to find who your ideal customer is, because you can present your product to different types of customers. But the most important thing I want you to take away from this video is you just need one channel. You need to master one channel. Also, because we're dropshipping, we don't have any constraints in terms of who we ship to. So you can have one campaign with loads of different countries in it. That's what we do. We put all of our countries into one campaign. So we sell to Australia, we sell to the United States, to Canada, to the United Kingdom. And because we don't have any constraints, so this is our supplier, BS Dropshipping. I will leave a link in the description to them. And they ship to all countries in pretty fast times and with more or less the same pricing for our cost of goods. So you could come to quotation here and you can get a quotation and you can check the price to multiple different countries, and you can also see the shipping time. So for example, for this particular product, this is not the product that we're selling, but I just want to show you an example. If we come to United Kingdom, you could see it can get there in 5 to 8 days. We could see the price here. Then if we come to United States, again, you can see it can get there in about 10 to 12 days. We can get faster shipping, 6 to 12 days. We can get even faster shipping, 5 to 8 days again. It's slightly more expensive to the United States if we go for the extra fast shipping, but you can see for the most part, it's going to be around 8 days. So pretty fast shipping. So because we don't have any constraints when it comes to fulfilling products, BS Dropshipping fulfill all of the products for us, and they do custom packaging for us. So if we come to packaging, you could upload your logo, you can upload your own thank you cards, you can have custom poly mailers, custom boxes, all of that stuff. Because we don't have any constraints and we can build a proper brand, it means that we can run a simple campaign with all of the countries in one campaign. And that, like I say, allows us to actually master this channel so that we can bring in all of our traffic and all of our sales just from one channel, and we can focus on becoming really good at meta ads and scaling with meta ads for this store. It doesn't mean you have to use meta ads. You could use Google ads, you could use TikTok ads, you could use Pinterest ads. But the most important thing is say to yourself, I'm going to pick one channel and I'm going to master it. Or it could just be organic content. We've chosen Meta. Like I say, I think Meta is the best. It has the biggest audience. They have the most data. It's the easiest to set up, like I say, lowest barrier to entry. So for us, meta ads was the way to go, but you may want to use a different method. But like I say, in this video, I just want to reiterate to you that you need to just focus on one channel. Don't pull yourself in 10 different directions. You won't be able to scale your store to big numbers if you're spreading your budget. Let's say you've got $2,000 to spend, and then you put $500 on TikTok ads, $500 on Google ads, $500 on Meta ads, and $500 on Pinterest ads. You're better off just spending the $2,000 and getting the data on one platform. As you spend more, you'll get more data, your CPMs will come down, and you figure out what's working and what's not working on that platform. So that's basically it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.